Colin. I am a mentor here on Sound Mentors Live. I teach music production and intro to Pro Tools, and I am going to show you how to download, install, activate, and start your own Pro Tools session. After we've gotten signed into our account, we're going to go to My Products via this little button here. Now, once we're on this page, you'll see all of the different products that you have from Avid, like Avid Link, etc., and currently we're going to go to Pro Tools. Now, if we look here, it shows us what type of subscription we have, it shows us what kind of support, our system ID, etc. Now, we're going to go to this button down here that says View Software Download Links and Product Details. Now, once we do this, you're going to want to find the most updated version of Pro Tools, in this case, Pro Tools 22.12. And we're going to click this button here that says Pro Tools 2022.12 WinZip, and that's going to download a zip file into our downloads folder, and that will look something like this. Now, before you can do anything with that file, you need to right-click it and click Extract All, and that will allow you to use the files that are actually stored in there. Once you do, you're going to go to this page, and for you guys it will have a lot more files inside of it, and you're going to find this Setup application. Once you start the application, it will take you through the installation process, and at the end of the installation process, you will have to restart your computer. Once you've done that, it's time to activate your account, your Pro Tools subscription, and by doing that, you need to make a iLok account down here, and link it to your Pro Tools. Once you've done that, you can go to the iLok website and download this license manager. Mac OS if you're using MacBook or Apple products, and Windows 64-bit if you use something like a PC. And then that will bring you to this. Now, after you've signed in, the way we're going to do this is you're going to go up to Licenses and click Redeem Activation Code. And this will bring up this window, and once you've got this window, you can copy the activation code that you received when you purchased Pro Tools and paste it into here, and that will put your subscription into here. And if it's not already activated, you will see either a clock symbol like this, or you will see a red refresh sign. And the way you fix that is by clicking on your subscription, and then up here this check mark will be lit up. And you will click that check mark, and it will activate your subscription for you. Alright, now that we've installed and activated Pro Tools, we can get started making our first session. Now, you're going to want to name your session whatever you want it, so typically, you know, I'll put the name of an artist and then the name of the song. Currently, I'll just call this Sound Mentors Live Session. We're going to choose our sample rate. I always like to keep it at 48K. We're going to choose our bit depth, 24-bit, and we're going to make sure our file type is .wav, and our I/O settings are last used. Now, you can choose where you want your files to be saved to using this prompt here, or you can have it always ask you to prompt for a location when you create your Pro Tools sessions. I like them to all go into this folder, so we're just going to click this Create button here. Alright, this is going to show us the Edit window right here, and then if we switch using Control equals, Command equals for those of you on Mac, this is the Mix window. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a master track, and we do this by pressing Control, Shift, and N. This will bring up the New Tracks menu. In this menu we're going to click Mono and instead change it to Stereo. We're going to click this drop down menu.